Why does it have to be that at the start? Alright, well, anyway, hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-eyed Great Dane. Back with day 221 Star Drop opening. So it's the day after Valentine's Day, and you should be getting a free legendary Star Drop out of the Lunar Brawl events. And let's see what we have.
Rare.
50 coins.
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 coins.
Rare.
And rare. 50 coins. Again, I really don't understand why they can't just always have that on. Like, I don't understand why it turns that off every time you reset the game. It's rather annoying. But anyway, let's rush straight into the shop because again, I'm a little bit strapped for time, but I want to try to include everything. So I think I'll start off with the Flagbearer Piper skin here.
Sugar and spice.
So they're calling it the Brawl Navel. Brawl Navel. Alright, and it comes with a free pin and icon. Don't do that. Again, I don't even know if you can really call any of this free since you're spending gems for it, but you know what I mean. I think this is by far the hardest purchase of the whole section. I really don't like buying PowerPoints. I can't do anything with them. I have too much already. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these. Oh, it hurts. Right, but we have 5 Star Drops edition here, so let's see what we have. That's like
rare.
But geez, not everything's gonna lag, is it? 50 coins.
Rare.
I think this whole thing's gonna be really laggy. 25 power points.
Super rare.
More power points.
Rare.
Still power points. It's a nightmare.
Rare.
Rare. Okay. 50 coins. Says not too great, unfortunately, but you get a pin here. I'm guessing is probably exclusive. Then to finish it off, here goes literally all of my gems, unfortunately. 2,500 coins and 2,000 XP doublers. And let's get on to the legendary Star Drops. So for our first, we have 500 credits. So if we get something right here.
Time to show the kids how it's done!
Star Clown Sam. It isn't one of the skins I wanted, so I can't be too disappointed by that, but we're not done quite yet because we have the complete meat challenge here. So, unfortunately, it's gonna be another one of those things where I just have to keep quickly pausing and unpausing the video, but I don't think there's much else going on here, so I'm probably just gonna do that quick. Hopefully I get some decent stuff out of this. Alright, so I'll do it right after I finish the first set with this jump. Alright, so for the first Star Drop, we have
Super rare.
Super rare. Oh, 50 power points. On to the next. For the second Star Drop,
Rare.
we have a rare. 50 coins. On to the next. For the third Star Drop,
Super rare.
100 XP doublers. Onto the next. For the fourth Star Drop,
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 coins. to the next. For the 5th star drop.
Rare.
50 coins. On to the next. For the 6th star drop.
Epic.
100 flame, not too bad. On to the next. For the 7th and final star drop for the channel.
Epic.
Another epic. Oh, but it's only that much. Alright. And we'll pause and just get the spray really quick, but no more star drops unfortunately. So, to end off the challenge, I already got these sprays before, so I just get an additional 400 coins. And if you guys didn't remember, apparently you can get win streaks and challenges, so that counts towards that too. If you need extra trophies, you can try to actually play your best and you'll get rewarded for that a little bit. There's a 12,000 coin offer in the shop. I'd hate to buy that over power points, which are the 2 additional offers today, and tomorrow for the $8 one. Again, I try to stay away from that since it's solely for progression anyway. The daily freebie, power points. And I really gotta remove that animation. And 15 coins. I don't think anything else is going on today, so as of today I have 12,878 XP doublers and 31,512 power points. Again, whenever they decide to bring back that conversion ratio would be amazing. So again, make sure to let me know if you got anything good out of your free legendary star drop, or out of the challenge star drops, or even out of the Piper skin star drops. But other than that guys, thank you so much for watching, and let's see if I can take this.